Welcome back to my channel. Let's solve this Olympiad maths on the board quickly. It says x minus 2 all raised to power 4 is equal to 2 raised to power 4. We're about to solve for the value of x. Okay? Now first thing we can notice here is that the highest power of x is 4, meaning that x has 4 answers. Alright, so number of answers for x equals 4. Now continuing from here, we can now say that this would be the same thing as x minus 2 all raised to power 4 minus 2 raised to power 4 equals 0. Alright? Now from here, we can say that this can be written in the form of a raised to power m n is equal to a raised to power m all raised to the power of n. Applying this law here, we have x minus 2 squared all raised to the power of 2, okay, because 2 times 2 is 4, minus 2 squared all raised to the power of 2 is equal to 0. Okay? Continuing from here, we can now say that this is difference of 2 squares. And the law of difference of 2 squares is going to be applied here to solve for this equation. Now we have x minus 2 all squared minus 2 squared multiplied by x minus 2 all squared plus 2 squared, and this is equal to 0. Alright? Now, moving on from here, we can say when the product of two things is equal to 0, is either this first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either A is equal to 0 or B is equal to 0. Okay? Now, so we can say, given that x minus 2 squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0, we can deduce from here that we can also use the difference of 2 squares. Okay? As you can see, this is a term squared minus another term squared. So these are 2 squares with difference between them. So you can see that this will give us x minus 2, okay, minus 2 multiplied by x minus 2 plus 2, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so as you can see, x minus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, and x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Continuing from here, we can now say that we have x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Okay, so we have times x is equal to 0. Again, the product of two things are equal to 0. If the product of two things is equal to 0, it's either the first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either, from here we have that it's either x is equal to 0 or, okay, x minus 4 is equal to 0, meaning that x is equal to 4. Okay, so these are the first two answers for x. So you can see that this is x1 and x2. Now we have to find the remaining two answers for x. Like I told you, x has 4 answers from the beginning. Okay, now we come back to this place. As you can see, we've solved with this. Now let's solve with this. So we have x minus 2 all squared plus 2 squared is equal to 0. From here, we can now say that this is sum of 2 squared. And sum of 2 squared says that a squared plus b squared is equal to a plus b I times a minus b I, where I is the root of minus 1. Okay, so continuing from here, we can now apply this law and say that this will become, this is a, so we have x minus 2, okay, plus this 2i multiplied by x minus 2 minus 2i, and this is equal to 0. Alright, continuing from here, we have that this is 2 things multiplying to give us 0. So it's either this first one is equal to 0 or the second one is equal to 0. So it's either that we have x minus 2 plus 2i is equal to 0. From here we can say that x is equal to 2 minus 2i. Okay, so this is x3. If you remember, we had x1, x2, now this is x3. Now the last answer for x, we have the same thing here. We have x minus 2 minus 2i is equal to 0. From here, we now say that x is equal to 2 plus 2i. Okay? So this will become our x form. Alright? So we have x1 to be 0, x2 to be 4, x3 to be 2 minus 2i, and x4 to be 2 plus 2i. Thanks for watching. If this video made sense, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.